the Lord. Hallelujah. Adofo ene tiefo nyina me ma munyina ma fi shiapa. Mo amosomfo. Ma de nyina Pastor Godfred boache Ansah. Me gidi se nyame adom. Munyina obi a ho ye ba bi obi a se de menzo me na magusua ye ho eye no. Awiai afi shiapa eni nshiransem ana de ma tiefo nyina. Kristo adom. Odi abeduru sam pempenso ya na ye na adoma. Nti ba bibia na obi a wo hwese video we. Meka che nipa kro se ensi uye enkosoma mpuntu ni from ye enye wodia. Bible say awrade timi yama ne bro se de yebusa ye dwene ene se de yesusu. Se nyankopon na otimi yama ne bro se de yebusa ne se de yesusu no. Onyama ne mro se de yesusu ne se de ye wodwene. Enna kakra ka ma afia ko na wiye ene afie di ye ne nyina. Owuo enkonhia abayama ne awalijaye isai musuo enframa boni biara ebo ede oseye no ye ne ba wa brabom ene osikasemu omamu ukuna brabo so yira brabo so odomfo na o ma ne nsaso ewo poso emepo ye edin no o ma ne nsaso emfama wa brabo misre na me adoma next year mini say Kristo tiase na ne won konkro tie mu na te wonso mu yi awrade na me yeso be ma wa yinshira awrade na me yeso ebe ma na siwie koso na hweme ewo YouTube any social media networks ni nyina so na mini say said the awrade na me yeso e ma wo yinshira adu fra adom ko adom no next year obeba ebe na me yeso am wa yinshira am wo fra adom ako adom. Once again I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I love you all. God be with you. Bye bye.
Odom for ya da wase mama afia kwa pra beto ye techere mada bodwie mu moje di ye mofrisane ya na wase ya boni ayefo ne ye anka ye nso ye ne hwan ede ebe mponi ye fie che odi abeduru mpempenso etise ya betwa ahia wona ase biem honhom a wo ye nokore honhom ye to ye nsafrɛ Bible say Yesu so ba ba kyerɛ ye nokore no nyina nti esere efa adwene ne akoma nyina no mum na bie ye honhom ma wasem wa hintasem na wasem nti ase na masem so kasa kyerɛ ye na ma ya hoden a de bedi wasem ne so ya anya asem tie for refifo e Jesus Christ de mu amen amen. The mistakes of the prodigal son, or what led to the destruction of the prodigal son. The mistakes of the prodigal son, or what led to the destruction of the prodigal son. Oba ohwini ne mfomso anade de wo seye ebere oba ohwini no. Eno ne ade a Yesu ne na that is my last teachings for 2018. In life, we make a lot of mistakes. Some of the mistakes are temporal and some of them are permanent. If we are say, ya yam from so bebrebe, na from so ni bi wo ho mo a, oya hu bibia enye ye bi. Ebi wo nso a, oya hu bibia ye de ba de. Eyeye. One of the permanent mistakes in life is to die as a sinner. And from so back where wa barabo wa oya hu bibi enye eni so obewu se di boye ni. Uwa onse ntimi ma adwen sa kire mu bi. Uwa akwanya bi ani ho ma obiem so betimi asa kire wa adwen. Uwa ehumọ bro nya adwuma ma obiem. Se yesa be hu mo bade umfom so na o mara to aye de ba de acho. Says it's one of the permanent mistakes in life. Ebina osikani ni ye no. Na Bible so they are setting up for every day. Only the new years will be one rewarder. Sana Bible na kano. Also what they are setting up for ni da. Nti on the bia no make can say e bro nya kra de ma no. Every day e must what the man. Every day. Na adwe say life is all about enjoying yourself. So obeji wani de bia e manie sikanie ewiasenie menkan say like oya popra bibi e wo wiase ade bibiara de kra kondo bia no enkame no oska nti otimi de ye ba de etobi enjoy no. There's a life is not about having money. Life is not about enjoying yourself. Life is not about entertaining yourself. Life is life is not about being rich. That is not what life is all about. Amen.
Amen.
Indeed, there are temporal mistakes and there are permanent mistakes. Bible says, "Unya wali wia aje owuo na betetem ono oyere ntem." Say yempa bonso nya se obi be wali na owuo be ba be fa be ma na oba de na kwa animu ya. Ono oyere na ukuru betena che. Nti wa wadie mu no wa ma wani na ho na oye mistake. Eko wali the wrong person. You are staying with that person till death. And a crime is in a victim classified is one of also the permanent mistake because Obana na be many abata ho o wa na enye ade owuo.
Yes.
In this way kasea obeso ni pedue mama wa atipe ate ya o sa akopem say owuo beba. Also you will never die prematurely. We be na che. Shanenzie. Amen. Enti sanete na empenifo kan se bi se obenyansafo enye de otana se ma bibi to nansana wo hie nyansa afirim na emo obenyansafo ne de bibi kranto no already ato afoforo na wo de aya adusua e de amana brabo se ni pa de ebuni so yo obenyansafo in Bible so nitifo huru de afira chirichiri ba na watwene ho ayede ba de hinta na so atete kwa de ogina wa na beto no Bible na da wo sa no eye buka e kanokre. That is the reason why enye eniema panko an ya kire no Bible nim na emu we bi mu ne ma boni omo ye yanzu ya ye ba de ya kire enti the Bible ne person what say de obi ye ya de na hwe ase ba ye no wo ma ne nye kasa kire ma wo de obi ye de ni mpeja ba ye no wo ma ne nye afutu ma wo de obi ye de na nim guase ba ye no ma ne nya adisuade mfa ma wo entwen enkoye ni pa ne mfom suo ni bi anza no abeka se minu yanka na minu yanka nsoso
anu ni adu
eni aduru chane nzuye pa minu yanka eni aduru. Okay, until what led or the mistakes of the prodigal son or what led to the destruction of the prodigal son? Now the akofa prodigal son ne ho asem nyina ba ye Luke chapter 15 verse number 1. Bible say yankai Bible na if say every Bible now I will take the Bible Luke chapter 15 but prodigal son ne ho asem what verse 11 to 32 but me say kai chapter 15 verse 1 nemko na me de kan sim yanko
Luke 15:1.
Luke chapter 15 verse 1 Bible say odwan a wayera
was not different the boy for no in our trip by no be say no say
yentie Bible say tojefo
the boy for no
ene ne boyefo yentie yo tojefo ene boyefo
in our trip by no
enyina twiben Yesu se
or betie no
oba betie ne nsam a ni wiase a waba no all kan bi omo oba betie bi
sa but na falasifo na telefone mi ka say
ana falasifo ene atwerefo
Enyi
ka se.
We so.
Akwa we so.
Kwadi ne boyefo.
O sori a wo so ye Nyankopon. O si Abraham kure nya maye na wo.
Na wo.
O sori a o si I and my father are one. Ebi mu so fra o so ye difo. Entu ye difo na wa hunu se ene boyefo na na o moto nze didie.
We so ne boyefo.
We so ete ne boyefo na o moto nze didie.
Na no didie.
Na ono mu nyina na didie.
Obuwon be se.
Yentie ehonom na Yesu Kristo de be ya abebu wo be se.
Verse 11.
Verse 11 papa bi. Yemensi o papa bi. Owo ni wiase a osi so no. Owo emama mienu. Although Bible na nye specific say na papa no oye defo. Nanso so far as say oba keto ani timi bie na no ka kire papa ne say fa wajapa de me chefe wo me ma me kire say papa ne bobla. In the Bible na nka de nanso it may be say the man was rich.
Okay.
In the na oye o mama mienu. Papa na bobra. Senke ne ya me so se bi akwa school edure chiri. Ne ya ankwaye japade awodo ensase companies or a lot of bank accounts. Men can say treasure bills. Eniema wodo a emeni pada chenye mobo. Papa ne was ha ne mani nyine. Na nipa bi aso oye eja oye a good father bia. Yesu Kristo kan ho asem. Asem enkomi nyamu nyanka. Nemo mesuma chitafo na manaba na mekwa mekosiesie baabi amam na miwia. And a good father prepares a place for his children. Nipa bi oye eja papa bia no. Osiesie baabi e de ma enchiri ma edi na chi ye de ba de. Eba no be de onye eja papa no. Onwiri nchiri ma o.
Oshiri na.
Onwiri nchiri ma o.
Ye mase.
And papa na mpese obeja ne mani nyanka me kire obeba o mabara ba ye basa nti oye japade awudo bebrebe ana ketwa na owo mu no ebeka kire papa ne se papa ene de me no wo nkomo na papa ni busa ne se nkomo be ya ne nkomo de ni nyina ne se papa se nyame ani mrugwe ne oba nyame adom watimi abobara said ye jebi aye bibi di jane mano otimi abobra na me say manyini I am a man of age he say I have come of age manyini they say no eyesa me nso metem wo free me papa nchen na makwa akobo me bela so the race it there because akora ne tifi ho no it may be say ontimi bie enko di mere bia opewa abonten mafie because papa no ye obi oye discipline for see to it say embo bia be 8:30 na ne mani nyina ya de ba de mu nyina mo de mother papa ne kwa asole a o see to it say ne mani nyina kwasi ada no obi e dwale asha na tade na onu mu nyina ya de ba de e kwanye se bia o kwa asole na waja wu ofie said the about time for be here or momano. Yes, I understand. Papa be a discipline. In the Abrahamic culture of Papa is said, you're many, Masoma arguable. In Judea, said, yeah, minim say, walk on school, be a source of why you win. Now, will be answer so. Nipe Japadia, Nediani Wua, and I will near Juma. Omu ya will near the Abadia, and fat and Juma. Nti papa minimisa wa ya we na we nim no nso no o maye mi enu pe nti minimisa ya dania me wo chefa e wo japade na wa ye nim na papa me de me ntwa ma wumu ansa because me dia panyini we ya me ne tifia han onye e wo se onkuta adwen pa wo ye sisifo because wonya nwu ya kra me hwe ne ma odi ye mu ofia ha me twa ma wuwu a ene ma no ba fa ni nyina me nya bi nti de fa me chefe wo mi ye de ba de emame
nkombla
ana apraisa to aso aka se da bi papa se me ka se me twen so awu a abusia ofiri mu nya abusia pagini ena no kra ye wo fa ba ku ye ne japade abusia pagini age afiri ne yire ene ne mansem ene on the zoo idea to assess the many and the papa the came and now there's a of a young toe. Ever chairman my funny man into the papa Miss Rawa family mamma and Cobomba. And the is not written in the Bible, and so Sata my almost can't answer you. No, you knew what the answer yet the near man cost the body and to Toho. What did the American as a bar? Indeed, the American of fire on Toho go Bible anyhow. Okay. Enti papa de tena asidi no se there bi ma me fa akora yi ejapade e wo mu ma no ana papa no e de ejapade bi biara e be ye kuma ne dia no okwa oso abofra ne nsa e kire ni nyina we e ye odia asase na e de dua kase no ase wonom no e de kwapem ma me saka ebo di fuo na no hono no ni nyina me di ama fa on koko no
yes ba
dia e wo sawi no ni nyina nso me di ama fa company na e wo Dubai no eno so me di ama fa abronsa na me sisi ye no dia e wa na ya penti no orange color no me di eno nso ama fa na say enwan ni na ntwie eni emudie ma nyina ye ketwa ne dia no de ni nyina ya dia ba de o de ni nyina ma na akora ne je ni ma no woni be papa ne so agobleni aka se me mfa ma eni Bible ni sa me mfa ma why because abofra bia wo ne ja ejapade mu chefa o te dia mega na se abofra bia wo ne ja ejapade mu chefa di papa ne so ankawe ana ode ma abofra no ode ma abofra no de eye dan abofra ne toy de eye asase a wontimi mfantu kwai oton ade bi biara be kan abofra we hu a e ma na kwantuo ni nye ize mfama oton ni nyina ana odani ni nyina sika eni osesan ye euros pounds odani ni nyina sika ana odini nyina ese ni botom the bag equal like bag ana egum ana otu kwai Bible so otu kwankwa chiri baby chiri baby okọ yan so the Bible say okobo akohwie bra ana osade ne hokobo enamfobone enti ema abof akora wei edi ni say akohwie bra ne kire say okọ ye no ore kwaye afikubo ema asem ensanom ene menka ne say
money the proof
ewiase niama ne ewiase anije emuna ode kobo ne bra na okoye no say nam namfobone ode ne hokobo mo nti Bible say yonkobone wo we
se bra pa
enkomobone se wo bra pa brother nti omu tu ni fo na mfo abrante we konya ye omo ema asem de omo mfani agro ene se de na no ye teka mu ko jamase a akwa bi be foro ka no kan se abra we pa ema akokọ wo asem mfes kan ko to bank sa da mfo we bi no okofa na ne ye pege edema abrante oni pese because ebusia de afia ofirim ne nya saa ne de tete no but na mfo body nti obeye de ba de obehia etese de no obi ema asem ne mema asem ne so adamfo bi ode ne hokobo no ana ama enne ne babu na no oye no ne virginity aye de ba de ebreki why because ode no hokobo adamfo body ye chere ne ma asem adamfo ekura so sa twi ka ho tramo ni wi those dey ne bi ni ho enzo ye de na abana bon na etoto ho omo chere ni nyina omo ko beza akwa ni
no kwashi bi
ye wi a ye kwa because na mfo no mu ni kapre wo mu boto ana akwa we nso na ye boge odo omo ntem ni sika nyina wa pounds ni euros enti wasisa kakra eno ane se ne bia ba bia no ma kwa kwatena ho ene eyi ensafla
oto ho nyina ma
so the way it is adonko bites ne eja apia ne akeka bom na wagigi guinness ni nsai sisi table so omo wia me buburu bi omo wia de aka yo hotel ni me yakode da bia
hotel nyina
obi a ti afa ne best Antena kwa we japade nyina efiri ne nsa ni nyina efiri ne nsa afedi at the end of the day adwuma edi kwan sa wode hia ye no eno na na abofra yi we ye afedi mpra kwa adwuma ana woye mpra kwa adwuma o ana woye na Bible say atoda me summarize story na dia to me wi ana ma be kire de de na hwe ase bae afedi atoda akrai ko do se mpra kwa aduane na ye de ma mpra kwa no ba ye de ba de e ba to aduane be na mpra kwa di fufufulu ka ho bi ana banchi ase ye fani nyina ye fufufulu na bia ana de ba de eni niema menye mpra kwa nti I cannot tell eni niema woni se di feeding mpra kwa nyina aduane e fi ni nyina akwai pese odi ma mpra kwa no odi bi ye de ba de e ko na no nenso na akoda ne ase afedi adako otwon ma na asem nyina ne se enko ahe na meja nie ade na de sia betena obi man so abaya akwa mesa ma ko meja nche na me kwa meka kire ne se owura ma ye wo soro ne wanim die ba de bonne enti umi mo bonne fa me bonne ye die ba de fatem na sa parable we mu no papa no a owo sa ma mienu no papa ne represent God okay nyame emma no de me nka ho asem se da foforo me ka ho asem de a kire enti number 1 what led to the destruction of the prodigal son? The first mistake of the prodigal son, and it's number 1, he separated himself from the father. Separation from the father. Abusia me kana kwa na dia kyerɛw. Ewiase we ma ye wo no. Adeɛ bia nyame yeye bia no ɛdan biribi ansa na de kodi atimi asurvive sir including the nipa yes ade ono ni nyame nko na independent on anything for a survivor apart from God yes anything that was created by God depends on something for it or his survivor sir when him so kongwere mu a jata se omo betimi asurvive a omo dan emoa na ewo nwere mu wono chibiwe e ba to me bo entontom kura betimi asurvive a just waka wanza no muja fish omo wonsuo omo betimi asurvive a omo so dan emoa na ewo wonsuo na emuri bia chibiwe so the way is it there emo ewo wiem the same thing including the nipa ya dan nyame because Bible say nyankopon de form the tie ye wo nipa na wo hunkwan mi gu woni pa hwenim no ni pa be ye wo kra na se enipa kra timi abaye tiasefo no enipa dan nyankopon anza ne nipa timi abaye tiasefo and without God man can never survive or cannot exist. But the prodigal son, the first mistake, he separated himself from the father, into bracket from God. Now the woman said, what kind the book of John? Yes, Christ was in John 15. John chapter 15 verse 1.
Verse 1. Was no kudobi.
Nukure bobe.
Mene was mene nukudobi no.
Yente ni yo mene nukure. Yesu na kasa yo. Yesu Kristo say mene nukure ebobe no.
Amaja no kuafo no.
Na neja eni okuafo no.
Me ho ma biara enso aba.
Meba.
Edua.
Edua bia wo nchemu mienza. Edua bia ewo nchemu mienza. Ye wo root.
Yes.
Ye wo stem.
Yes.
And ye wo branches. Edua bia kuta sa nchemu mienza we. Ehini edua ana eman. Enti Yesu Kristo ka asem bi wo John chapter 15. O say many bobeno. Enti the Yesu Kristo verse 10 say I am the stem. Enti Yesu ni edua na nka say esi wono no. Jesus is the stem. Many nukure bobeno. Na kriania odia sa bobeno eye God the Father. Enti o say ne ho ban biara enso aba. Na 42 say every proper Christian you are a branch. enti emmen ya ewo hai eyaminu mien we are the branches ye nie ye doso ana ye batadua ne ho enti Yesu say me ho ban biara enso aba obeyi
biara enso aba no
ebiara enso aba no
oyi ho
obeyi ho
na so aba bebrebe
na so aba bebrebe
asama ka kire munti
asama maka kire munti mo ho anya afi
montena me mu
enti ane de Yesu Kristo person tenze okamu a fatu teams ye ne branches no enti okasa montena me mu a Yesu Kristo person tenze eni dua ni nya yonkofa be connected to the stem. Hello.
Amen.
Be connected to the stem. Montena me mu. Na me nso me nya de ba de. Na me nso me ntena mu mu.
Ansah de e man tumi info.
Said de branch bi e ni wo mu a enye connected to a stem a etimi so aba.
This
is what we da.
Baby.
Enua man embata dua bia ho na so aba. Be ba jo wo bi da.
Bi si da.
Enti Yesu say said ye e man bi ntimi nya de ba de.
Enso aba.
This
is tabo benum no.
Adise wa ya de ba de.
Tabo benum.
Otena bo benim.
Sara so na mo so.
Sara na mo so muntimi.
Se wotena me mu.
Adise mo tena me mu.
Mini bobe no. Na mo ne man no.
Bedase. Enti we are the branches. Jesus Christ is the stem. Enti the prodigal son, the first mistake in his head, or a branch, and he disconnected himself from the stem. And the Bible also has said, a man ain't mean free one kasa ni pemu nya de ba de. Enso aba ade se ni duani nya yon gofa. Enti the prodigal son, the first mistake in the oya and say he disconnected himself from the stem. And the 50 and that or disconnecting himself from the stem. Obewi. Because a man a pain free via one. Ebewu. Se man a pain free via one. Intimi nsoaba. Enti abofrano a pain who free eduana hono. Okoye we intimi nsoaba biem. When intimi nsoaba biem. Okoye nso no enkwa ewodua ni mu a anke bi beko eman ni mama man ni nso anya nkwa no esan so apan ni mo free dua ni woni nti no enkwa ni sizi mo no nso ba ye de ba de obewi. That was his first mistake. Enti me gina so de akasa de akere nyina ye se abusiafo never think of disconnecting yourself from Jesus Christ. Never in your life. Never think never think cha fe kura de masum nyankopon sa afa de asema babu kura bu eniema ntimi nsisisu ma me se de me pa no enti afa de me san afre urade mu akopenya me fufuro bi akoka ma asama che na ebi obeye de ba de obetie eda sa diwe bebe utirim no that will be the beginning of your death. Eda sa diwe bebe utirim no ebe ye wuwo asifiri eda sa diwe bebe utirim no kane ha wananka wa bara bosi ye fruitful efaro sa fruitfulness ni nyina ba ye de ba de ebe sizi asisa chani nzuye ba intimisre. Don't make the mistake of the prodigal son.
Okay.
Cheye ana oni diana any Jesus Christ and entem ante.
Okay.
Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Njena me kasa kire mi nua no me maame no me papa no me kasa dia kire abusuafo e wa nyina se mo me we ye wo ye. Wo Yesu a o wa de. So Yesu mu eno na ye papa bi ye nyem ka kire o se me so na ta de mu a se me so ni mu so mu a emoja pitwa odi beba ahoto beba faudi beba Jesus ni mu nenkwawo baby ya me dem se wanya no aso ni mo dendende kitalo dendende adumbi wo Yesu mu se wanya Yesu a abusia so ni mu ye me kan ko na dia trao value Jesus Christ more than your marriage. Me kan sanson trese fa wo yira na ukura nim eye ntomagutie tiaso chane nzuye ba na emo be be se me kire se man kwade ni awurade a wanya no no enso mboma wonten awade wonim say nesi enegana ene wiase ayewo no ebe na value awade chen odamesom
Biblical.
enipa na okọ wale no onye nyamesum ni omoa no oti so for me matena sia meche so for manyini so for say 33 years me were 35 years so for bad year and now we are 35 years about the expiring date that's so for my check when you say the panel moa onye Kristo ni enti ebasa o value our dear na change nyamesum na we dey ba dey o wom ni me nyamesum ni nyame ensom boma woncha our dear. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Okay,
chape me wale na me kan dia anka waje be yo okwan sunu guna nso ma wale dey make no temase ma wale enti me sere value nyame eche awade because eye nyame na dia awade baaye enya awade na di nyame baaye eye nyame na dia awade baaye enti say nyame na nam ne so ma awade baaye no value ni che awade na awade ye die baaye enti asetere ni say die nyame de bema ubia no ema wani nyi saa de kodie ne ho nche nyame a ode saa de kodie ne ye die baaye wonim say awade mu kora so wo wale na wo na what tension could be and Quran is bebrebe eche oyere na etimi di problem ba
money the phone abi
e for you din gomo only say etimi di problem ba original be boa say what tension kon Quran so mo na say de wanya mawie ntu nsa dan fa wo yiri ke bi da o mane na no aduane ma o mane na ede aduane be si table so like empakora no watu o yire free so Quran na no oboye de ba de be ba to ma me no de be ne ebesie
okoya che
Mrs. Dear baby, Monsieur.
Enyamede.
Mrs. Enya dear body. Enya na said you better because you can't wale. Ansah na wadi ni mne mkraya dear body. And value your wife more than your children. Value your husband more than your children. Ready you become keke. And dear mede ka be say ni say eya wadi ni mne mkraya ni pie free dear body. And value nyame eche niema ebe pie free wonu ni nyame nsem dia ba wabra bom value ni chance ane mari nyina. The first mistake of the prodigal son, he separated himself from the stem. He separated. And if you walk na bra ba your fruitful biem. If you walk enkwa eni hiri woni mu biem abusua me kan ko na dia kyerɛw ɛma wade entwum mfiri dua no. Number 2, ɛma the challenges and the circumstances of life eni mfiri dua no. Ɛma ni nyu ɛma emframa ebofiri abusuam ɛma mframa ebofiri apueye atifi atoye ne anafo enwaye wu mfiri dua we ho. Okay, the kra na make dia kyerɛw no ɛma ne nwai obi won mo to suffer amane ne sododo suffer. You don't know what I am going through. Suffer so him dia me fam aka betemase dia won fam ne so nkyere se twen hu firi awurade ho enne obi didi afrato abo wo ye firi dua we hu amene okodi abosom awaleti wala kali me kai papa ka asemi o se suffer bi na ba yale o yale serious na ya yebia ya de ne nkoda ana na busuafo ba aye se omo ba be fa no e de na kobosom so ebia na omo te se malam bi wo wa ben ebia no de ne ko no ma na ne ma weke. Okay, ana ne yiri ni jijine wo se dabi me pene so na we siti ana nya de se me pene afedie so fo ni timi bie na no kasa ka ko se lomo makwan na ebia na enida so apia firi wa de ba de aba pa aseme de ekoisi ye nyina ne se omode de duru bosom so no e wa na okowu ye na sa fe no sabio menka ne se na wie ye akwaye bosom so a so de we siti na wie ye enti e ma mane a ebo e ma soche a ebo e ma eniema a wo fam na ni nyina ye nipa amane Bible ni say brade so o ma amane a eboro ye nso nya de ba de amane bia ni wonu be ba wo so ya abofo amane e nipa amane e nipa amane de e kire se wa ye nipa wo betimi a de ba de Edi so eni pa ama ne enya abofo de. Ema free nyamisumu. Because prodigal son a mistake. Or why in the whole he separated himself from the step. He separated himself from the step. In Jerusalem, be careful. 2019 year, 18 year. What if you crowd GDM? What about 2019? Yamia the mama or China member message be what they are for 2019 message. The first night. Into the person got was the 2018. What in the what about 2019? Sophobia. No, I suffer. Now we're here. No, cotton up with you. I was a watch here. Now, I saw the baby when he was suffer. Cotton was a suffer. Was what so frame suffer. Was what frame suffer. Now, sir. And near baby, I'm an idea about it. A why you feel piano? Intimacy, Emma, Abarabomu, Frama, Dania, Dane, Emma, a cop, and deposit, said, dear, but then a better Timini Christo do, Amande, a cop, if you said that. Paul, boy, near my baby, suppose say, Sandy, and Benny Muba, Kukuren, Timmy, dear, about it. And the two one in your middle, and the two, make kind of craving at Yatro. I told everyone, ma, Sabi and Tanasan in Quetri. Oh, Alia, now no, you're not so new Kunutia. Sabi and yet there be a baby or band by Yadia, a bay or Poma. A bay energy. Yet there be an also by Yadia, a dear energy of Babano. Nenso said, Mumbi and Mumu Fumbo, said the TV, and what does what to say about it? Our left for Munya, dear, what does what to say our left? Say, I want to go back. Wouldn't say a real Senegan. Emperor, Ekwa Akronobo, Eddie a 2 I am very, very stubborn. We have statistics in the edge. Some Koran baby, no free, a fear. My many papani idea about the Ejaya Wadim. My many papani Jawa dear. Inti Akrano come, Amenua, call Papa, or call Papanua, call Mamma. Also call Papa was the same. Was the man was the Melao. Was champagne means actually more than so the way is there. But champagne is one who just open. Call my now, Corona Quenya down for body within a wire, dear body. Now, if you will share, you know. And the Awanijaya Kora said, or you didn't know Kuja, dear, the consequences in even. Sapa Pen as a Nippon Suni Yamen Tamayon Kofatia, and also one of the consequences. Those one of the consequences. Be the told the prodigal son, be careful. Number 3, Cheyenne a woman and 4. What am I meant for the crazy one? Cheyenne Wama, dear, Cheyenne Wama, the challenges of life. The challenges of life. And when free, Adriano. Be very, very careful. Amen.
Amen.
Okay. Number 2, what led to the destruction of the prodigals? And number 2, bad association, bad friends. Bible says, "Attend who free a John and Jen, or call a chiri baby, or call a chiri baby, or call a yellow, or compare them for, and then Uncle Bon and for." When you papa, I'm finding one more, but I am making a statement. Love is a command, but friendship is a choice. Love is a command. Bible is science. You know you know your young person. You know you know your young person. And so I young person. And your choice. I choose my friends based on my vision. Me jina meni swadi unusu ne choose me nam fofo. Dia wani meni swadi unusu na me de ne madam fo enya de ba de. Enti odo de Bible is science. You know obia. There's any Bible in baby as a was say, for be I am for any Bible is a choice. You can choose to make forward your friend. You can choose to make Silas your friend. You can choose to make the graft your friend. And therefore, one friend the graft and you are down for and Van Gogh in them. One for one you are down for and Van Gogh in them. So the way is it here. There's one fan in your down for no son to wuna and then in Yaka. me no nyaka nenzo nya madamfo.
Okay.
It's a choice. Enti bad influence. And prodigal son no. The second mistake in no bad influence. Bible say nkomo bone esai obarapa. Enipa de bia wakasa gu asum no. The say nipa koro yi. Na say nipa koro na de bia wakasa yesi ademu amene mutie. The number of years I stayed with them one. There be answer more make a piano. Chansem no a papa a papa a bonio. I am molding you. So when you I am molding you. Me form him. And he said, Yoko Kukunyum Fonchaya or declare a form of the Sana me number Numa Samso yet a form him. And at the end of the day, my brother body will super Eba by year assembly free Menumi at the Eba. Eba. And your bonnia. Usuba betre and your papa so usuba be about there. And be very, very careful about the one who speaks over your life every day. Very, very careful. When your parents now choose man down for choose it for them. And my man doesn't choose them for my choose them for my. The entire makers are saying is akorani de ono huni uso obia nenso wa adamfo bi ho ma wo nsa wo yoba atan no na oba kure di adam agora put a stop to it si ano kwan because when si ano kwan a subaya edi akora nim na akora ne be edi aba de oba peke di aba afi no entity ya edi utrim senka oba sa na nka na bra bo maye no na sa subaya na oba ne ye di aba de me ka se me di achara mo. Me say, and I am the last teaching for 2018. Take it very, very seriously. Me, Abraham, me be who are for na me da me ma me nchen. Me ma me dem na me da. That time na me one am for. Me no mo any number mai. Na nam for ni me be sachara ye no. Na ma hu se me kwa me nam fufu we nchen bi e ma asem na wo me so pa kwasi e ma asem pa kwasi ma me tu pan. Na abaye bi eni ni di agro man jam wo pa kwasi akofa na be se dem wo ene abaye yada before ansa no ni abaye we be da no pa kwasi apam mafiri o ma me dem wo bisu mbo me tirim bosa ni me so be nko ene se me de ma so be tetempu ma na tie di ekoso badini nyina ne nya me so ma sase wodi wasu kwatie ne kura nza amwa esa betwe wa adwe ya de ba de esi adwaman mo so za de ahwiase be belo enti beta ne se ya pamo a so the hesitate ana me decide say me pese me nya me som no eko awieye ne se me ye dia me nya namfo wi akira kwan ana me ko chusu enamfo sa namfo na me ko chusu wo mo no omo na di minya menka se nya me na omo so di minya me so abeduru bembenzo abi omo sesia menka se omo nya me na mfo ko omo ya me papa e wona me ko sia so prince mo me ko sia omo nso na omo ni ba bi da omo da park so na we decide say better them na mfo be influence me life e wo kwan bone so na meda park so na minya me so betimi atintim de meda park so e bi na Moses say eyama me se me ni nya me man ma ebe huna mane dan se metena follow fia me afra me follow baba eba se Moses et follow fia ye ni bako best university abesen dale baba obedi aduane baba obenya hoto obenya enidie obenya nkoso nanso emwa ma Moses and this ade huru nya de ba de sometimes comfortability can destroy your destiny sometimes because the Moses the follow fia eba ba fia owa ahoto nanso ahoto ne ma ne sebere mem ebe sei abusiafo empenifo se etietie nsubo ni mu ne de akosa nsu papa enei no kore adamfo na de ne ho abɔ no oni ba bi da ba so obeboa ma unya mesoma wie pɛya fa ho bɔ no rather than so benya adamfo a obema ubi endie na be sei unya so choose your friends very well. Choose your friends very well. Omana me no omanantia for 25 years now. Ebesine, I have never changed them. It doesn't know omananti says. Manam da so no mo nante sesia. Nti me sra wan hwe wonam fufuo yi a obi a wagya awade eye de na wa awawale ne kofa da ayongo. Obi a wagya awade nipa bi a wagya awade bia e wo onwunu fa awade o. Oye oba o onwunu fa mama o. Oye beba so a o onwunu e de fa ma o. Enti se nipa ne oba emema mema nye twimie ne de tiato nso. Omu nyina ayepe saa na omu nyina asubante saa na so kɔ bɛrima ne hɔ no nso bɛ ɛma kyai ɔnso ɔde ɔbɛyɛ deɛ ɔba adeɛ ɔbɛka kyerɛ no nso deɛ mpɛ sɛ meka kyerɛ ni soldiers dabi ɔmo kɔ ako a ebi wu nso yɛde forms bɛto Ghana ase yɛ pɛ sogyafoɔ a ɛhyɛ ɔto deɛ meka nso ɔte aseɛ yɛyi bi koraa so yɛ deɛ ɔba adeɛ efirim adeɛ na nipa ne nwere so ɔkɔ a ɔbɛwu ntumi nyae ɛnso still ɔda so apply so ɔbɛ so ɔbɛyɛ sogya. Nti so far as ọbẹ bi edu dwiri mu ne doesn't mean say saa na mẹ nyinaa yẹ deɛ ba adeɛ so far as bɛrima bi edu dwiri mu ne doesn't mean say saa na mɛrima nyinaa teɛ hwɛ ɔnam fufuo yie so de wei si teɛ no hwɛ ɔnam fufuo yie ne deɛ ekura na mɛka deɛ akyerɛ adamfoɔ betumi amu abrabɔ asɛe adamfoɔ betumi a wonim sɛ ɛnamfoɔ eyi influence yɛ abrabɔ ɛkyɛn yawofoɔ koraa mpo because ɛsɛ baabi a mɛmɛduri baabi a mɛnyina duru ho nam fam sɛ esi ano ɛnyɛ asɛm bia na metimi ne me maame ne me papa tena ase nanso me nam fofoɔ deɛ menka nkyerɛ maame anaa papa koraa no metimi yɛ deɛ ba adeɛ ɛkɔ ɔmo nkyɛn ka kyerɛ wɔn metimi ka kyerɛ wɔn ɛni sɛ wɔnyɛ adamfo pa obetu ofutu bɔne saa adeɛ na woyɛ wo saa blɛ yi ɔso ɔpɛw dabi a ɔfrɛ mu n'ani gye wo ho adeɛ na wonte aseɛ mfa ma no ɔbɛboa wo sister ɔbɛyɛ oyie kama adeɛ na wodi adamfo akyi akɔwale bɛrima a wɔmmoa why because bɛrima ne wɔ aburokyire nso what aburokyire yɛ kuro adawo nim ɛnyɛ heavy o ɛyɛ kuro ɛde sɛ de obi etu kwan firi hɔ abɛtena Ghana ha nti ɛyɛ kuro ɛnyɛ heavy kyɛn nso yɛ count. Be careful about your friends. Be very, very careful about your friends. Maybe I'm too full. Adamfo ane ne nam ɔka asɔfoɔ ho nsɛm kyerɛ no. Be very careful about that friend. Adeɛ baako a ma ne nye hu paa ma wo ɛne sɛ ɔbɛtu hu ɛsɛ wɔ sɛ ɔbɛka asɔfoɔ nsɛm. Be very, very careful. Ɛmoa gyae ɛmoa adamfo bi kɔfa asɔfoɔ ho nsɛm ba wonya hu ni baako bienu sɛ dabi ɔba wo nkyɛn a sɛ ni na ɛte a twe ho firi no ɛne ne nyaa ayɔnkofa ɛno so nkyerɛ sɛ ɛne ne nyaa aka bɛtɛ ne nyaa ayɔnkofa adamfo ma obi abrabɔ asi ne tiri ase adamfo ma obi ani gye adane na awerɛhoɔ sɛsi a adamfo ama obi awade agu awalefoɔ bienu a ɛmaa bienu a ɔmo awale ne ɔmo kunu tie efie baako mu efie ɔmo kɔ han dan na ɔmo hu ɔmo debi ɔmo sɔli a ɔmo kɔ dwom ɔmo kɔ bom ɔregya ɔmo kɔ nkɔmɔdidie mu a mɛdeɛ mi kuru deɛ akɔnmɔdé bi ɔbɔ mu akɔnmɔ 10 Ghana cedis o baako ne sɛ ana ɔso so ogyeɛ mɛdeɛ kame mpini o 10 cedis deɛ bɛ na ebetumi ayɛ deɛ bɛ na ebetumi atɔ 10 cedis na atɔ bankyɛne bɔɔde a ɛnam koraa ne bidie ne atosodeɛ nneɛma abɛtɔ ne 10 cedis deɛ ba adeɛ na bɛyɛ mɛdeɛ kame nye sɛ wɔn a wɔkasa na kɔn wɔn a yɛde ma na enuru 10 cedis nti sɛ efutuo na dabi ɔsɔle ɔde tu saa enipa asomasi wie no ɔno nso kɔ biara na ɔne ne kura kɔkɔ ɔno nso kɔ biara na ne wura fɛsika ne bi ka ho ɔkɔ biara na de adane kasa tutie o ɛnea wɔn mpena enti na wɔn mpena bi a ɔspɛndi sika ne bi wɔ baabi enti na ɔnfa bi nka ɔkeka nsɛm a ɔdo bebrebe adeɛ bɛ abufuo saa ana bɛrima no ma ɔbaa ne kɔ ɔmaame wɔ akura ase sɛ na adamfo no ɔne ne kɔ dwom kɔbakɔba na n'ani gye adamfo ne kunu no ɔkɔ ɔyɛ no wabɛfa bɛrima no wabɛhyɛ wo ma wɔde nsɔ deɛ wowɔ ɛmɛɛmɛ nyinaa ɛmɛɛma dɔɔso na wɔwi ase adeɛ na saa bɛrima ne nkoa na wote aseɛ sɛ ɔbɛgye atom so wɔnwale wo ɛnti sɛ wopɛ bɛrima obɛtumi abo akɔnhoma 20 million deɛ a ɛne adeɛ na ɔde ne proposal no bɛɛ no wɔareject na wɔaccepte yɛ very very careful yɛhwɛ yɛn ho yɛ wɔ namfoɔ secondary school a yɛkɔ minim obi wɔ secondary school a mekɔ ayɛ a ofiri fie ba no onim wii no akora we be school matakora no obesu awi no da bia ne apam no o ma me be school mo no ma de teachers ne ka no o ma me ni nyini me ba de no wi na enya no kore da enya sa na ote efi se o be school me na fo ni ntino obesu awi no o ensia no ofie oni mi ya wo fie na nso be school me na mfo ntu abehunu wi no ye ka ma me ni nyini ko pem se ma me de nani behu ye. Be very, very careful. Adam for the Menkase and for Adam for. You were 4 types of friends. You have 4 types of friends. And I'm for where your friend minus, where your friend multiplication, your friend addition, and your division. Yes, I know. Adam for pure Baba you obey us. I dear remove Bago. While I'm a 10-year man free Wabra, Obama Yama Kosrama. One no one may tell baby Wabra Bonel Duruna, the other Kesha. The grandpa make a child, the other Kesha. It is a sea of Bibizalo. Madame for only 9 Adam for how many years? Say you 2 years ago and after church, who go for your translation. Faneto to Sanya, Oba Wabra Bomuno, Oba Minoso, Oba Canso, Oba Adel, Oba Subtrato, Anna, what is say? Say, Waba multiply, Wabra Bodia, then, because 1 and 5 and 4. Now, say, multiplication in Quran, it was 2 ways. So, Waba multiply, Wabra Boka, Boniswa, Freedom. Or your minus, Freedom. Or your additional. Freedom. Father, for that idea now, so that multiply our life. And when you have some pass, hello, hi. You're careful. Hey, Anna may catch on my one of the Muntias of Catherine. Man, you must have them. Read the gospel according to our old lady. Sanity. So there is it here. Muntia and I'm full. And penny for say, and now for 17 Nama, walk or time at the about there. When you trade, when you and now for 17, when you you are the football matter of Cobana. Like, Menka said, I can say someone and so. Put him said, and then my baby Wale. Now, don't for your wedding. I can say when is what Oyanica Kraka. Then maybe now come more person go in the bush and phone quackano. There be and I'm a prayer where they know and where you wait and I don't know while I down for Kulum. I don't know while I was for Kulum. Cut your coat according to your size. Now, Asrewa, so a one time Cassia and the other. You better not for. Be careful. Sabi yenini baby a burusibia. Now so you experience be wabalabo. And you be truthful. Be careful about friends. Be very, very careful. Both sides about Bema, you about that for the Bema Dam for you now. Be very, very careful. The prodigal son, same mistake. Okoyana, Uncle, but a baby and the man on Takarasan. Only to Bebo. We are Christian for Christian need Papa Damfo. Christian need Papa. Christian need mature Christian like you. And then I think we are seeing power. What those go we are seeing. And you are down for power. A foot you better or Assemble over Cadiatro. Assemble over Cadiatro. And we are seeing one. Apart from me, Papa, no matter of one, Yamena, Momoso, I don't have any friend. The friend I make at all. Me now before you acquire software. Our Manu must have. What do you say? Or Cassa, who is in Yamena, Meso Cassa, do about Bobesi. Sabi Oko, you be in Yakora or the Adam for some to catch them. Cat was at the old grandmaster Emu house. No tea, no action went through. Now, Adam 4 was so good to power the who you be able to. Or really, I don't know. Or be a at the end yet. na so esan so na atoma ni die nti o ka senya na dia ne bebo no nti ni wo fo house
sa
no wo fo house yɛhwɛ yɛn ho yie ɛwɔ namfoɔ ho nkasa mfa adamfoɔ na emu mfa deɛ ɔbɛboa wo nyamesom nokora na meka de kyerɛ wo fa deɛ ɔbɛboa wo nyamesom nyɛ deɛ ɔde wo nyamesom bɛbɔ fam prodigal son no kɔ choose bad friends David na ɔne Jonathan yɛ adamfoɔ Jonathan papa ne yɛ frɛ ne so ɔna ne di Israel so hene na wonim asɛm a Jonathan kɛ Jonathan sɛ nana David mahu sɛ me papa wu a Awurade bɛma wo adi hene wofiri wo a na mema ba ɛso sɛ Jonathan yɛ obi a ankɔde David bɛfa kɔ abɔne so aka kyɛ sɛ masa me na mpapa di adeɛ me papa di hɔ no ma me na meyɛ deɛ ba adeɛ fa adamfoɔ n'ani mmerɛ adeɛ fa adamfoɔ n'ani mmerɛ adeɛ ɛnyɛ adamfoɔ a yɛ ɔtu fo sɛ ma w'ani mmerɛ adeɛ yɛnkɔ wi adeɛ yɛnkɔ sɛe wɔ bi na nka wo nkɔ ɔbosom so da adamfoɔ nti wɔkɔ ɔbosom so pɛ adamfoɔ nti so pɛ woyɛ ababa wa wobɔ otiri mu bɔ sɛ anka abɛyɛ ɔbaa bunu ɛkɔpem sɛ bɛrima Awurade bɛyi nam a ana bɛhunu w'adagya so nanso ɛnɛ wotie yi ɛmɛrima no abaakɔ ɛsɛ Awurade ne yɛboa
amen
nti mesrɛ be very may say repeat me statement ni bi love is a command but friendship is a choice Bible ni say yɛsi yɛ nɔ nanso adamfoɔ deɛ Bible ni say yɛsi yɛmfo obi yɛ adamfoɔ you make your friendship according to your vision when you ade hunu ni sɛ hwɛ so na fa choose wo nan fofoɔ hwɛ so na fa choose wo nan fofoɔ yo Bible say kɔntɔmmoare se a asomdwie wɔ mu kɔntɔmmoare se a asomdwie yɛ deɛ ba deɛ ɛwɔ mu ɛyɛ kyɛ efi a afɔlibuti asɛm mu ma nso ntɔkwa nyɛ deɛ ba deɛ ɛmpa hɔ da kɔntɔmmoare se no ɛyɛ na no ara nso dansɛ efie wɔ afɔlibuti ade bebrebe nso ntɔkwa mpa hɔ da ɔbaa walefoɔ bɛrima etwa sɛ onya na onya no nyame yɛ n'adom na wɔtumi yɛ biribi a praise the Lord wɔntumi nsi dan ne bi a ɛmfa wadamfo bi deɛ ntwa ne mboa okunu walefoɔ ɛmfa wadamfo bi yere ɛmɛtwa wɔ yere mpoa ɔwɔ deɛ mebɛsɛ mekyerɛ no ɛnkɔfo obi mfare mɛtoto yere wɔn na ɛka sɛ enipa so mɛsi kora ne yere ana oyɛ sɛ adɛn na wankɔ wale sɛ nipa ne yere adɛn na wankɔ wale sɛ nipa ne yere. Be very, very careful about friends. Media. And Churchill futu sem na medemo. So Obenyansa force you buni be. Name me yankana sem. So the race it here. Obenyansa for you buni be. Me papa ne kai. O se kwasia na koma te se baranda. Enyina nsu. Baranda ye ewai. Wodi nsu ta so a edi 5 days o mena nsu da so ye de ba de. E ta so ntimi no num nsu. Sa na kwasia bi akoma te. Na ɔbɛnyansafoɔ bi aso ma ne nane na agya ani yɛ deɛ ba adeɛ ɛgye bɛtɔ bakwasia ma ne nane na agya di awerɛhoɔ mibisa wabrabɔ deɛ anigye bɛbrɛ wɔ maame no papa anaasɛ deɛ awerɛhoɔ na bɛbrɛ wɔ deɛ woyɛ adamfosɛm a wode asi w'ani so yi adamfosɛm yi adamfosɛm nkyɛn no obi da afiase onim korɔno nanso adamfoɔ nti obɛsua korɔno bɔ amɛ na ɔda afiase yeyijo na obi yɛ intelligent onimadeɛ ɔka so ɔfɔ buku atena se pɛ sua deɛ a anka onimadeɛ nanso kɔ school na mfusɛm nti no ɛnɛ ne nwoma sua nyinaa no ankɔ baabi amfa ama no kɔ baabi amfa ama no yɛwɔ ɔbaa bi wɔ no ma ne wiase a wɔ menkasa abɔɔsen yɛ ɔbɛtumi ayɛ abɔɔsen atoa so bɛyɛ 10 nso ɔwale ɔbɛwo but deɛ obi wɔ hɔ no mu a adamfoɔ sɛm nti no nim na akɔyɛ just one abortion koraa a wowiase a wobaeɛ no wongu biemu da wopɛ wale awie anya bɛrima papa awale no wode bɛkyerɛ asɔfoɔ so saa asɔfo awoɔ yi o mpaebɔ o ɛne ɛho akwankyerɛ yɛmma wo bi ɛkwankyerɛ wodoɔ nyinaa bi yɛde bi bɛma nso akora ne ma Emma. So the way it is, and it's a wooden sound person beneath and I abortion there. Jai the diggings and never.
Amen.
Now, we veranda, ya de. We need veranda, ya de. But bed trim shop I am doing here and now of veranda. Don't hate it. Yes, I didn't have any. Now, your baby out Valento. The answer so, and when in the second mistake, bad association, bad friends. Yes, you see me in the when you come to my family 120 person. No man can't do a dinner 20 person. Sana used to kind. No man can't do a dinner 20. Me say, me never so much say, and can I'm 4 years have you. That time never read JHS for. Me come papa, me see man, because me go see you man. Never me process the bay, I'm a point of me by me, Cacratum, but to me, I'm a question. No more cherry massam, and to form you liberty about Jamo, penny in Pemasam. Cacran and Pemasam, rather penny in the Pemasam. And go for any penny in the Yakitan. You're quite scared, name of the cotton money by Rantisa by the demo. You did you know my Germany at a penny was just ready, Yakaka be you, one engine free one. Miss me, David. Oh, says yes, and I could see him what we really say. And then he says, as a by the bar. There, come on, and then the anticipated and they come up. That's the name and I want to say someone who so to do. I was your fault. But it's awesome ways I did do fee. The drums about the course and said, Tiana. I got yeah, traffic. Listen good. A person and your new. But almost time walk I want is once a pound wallet. Mr. Mary Panzana may wallet. There's almost time to our pie one is. Mr. Diana be sure doesn't say, Minute them walk out about Benjamin. Be sure. I didn't be sure. When him said that, Adam 4 being channel, may kind of grant at the outro, and there will be a satire of Virginia Median. Well, who say, say, come you in Taman, come on, while a bear man now by Yam and Wally. That's why you're too late. I am too late. It's late. I am too late. I am too late. When you say anybody want my away and if a bar, the number for no woman now, already we are crying, she says, or much, and we in no for no day, but for no toss. When you say you will be a bar, none of the point was so. If a group of people will be 1 hour woman, so pepper will be free in jail. Because you now see you, Musa was on the penny show. Turn the way to it. Of 5 years, and about the Aquatua. At our yellow, your brand, about that family. When him a boy for the almost as yes or moon, no man is why I had to her. Well, yeah, let's mistake and be the grand maker. And they put on it to Amana or Fadia Wakotua. What the 2 hours and Fadia Wakotua. And I've read it is a terrible one man, not doing even a question of banners. Also, I have when you come run away. They're then a wee. It's a prayer of who's a when you come crano and then audio at Tocalaco banners. I was your former rebel. You're very, very careful. Amen. Amen. And the second mistake of the prodigal son are bad friends. Bad friends. Bad friends. Bible says what I'm for one was in Wunia. Adam for only Jesus Christ. Yes, Christ to know the best friend. I was as usual. Adam phobia can be a quiet vision of a question mark. But yes, you dear. What do you matter? Yes, you dear. On power, yes, you dear. On for all now in our town for Sata. Yes. Now the whole Bobo and phobia. Oh, my God, to some dog. I saw my India. I saw one see India. The we are Assemsia and who are the four bar. Assemsia. I know who there was why you are down for who details in the year. Yepa. Some of my India. Amen. Amen. And bad friends. Bad friends. Eddie Aquano, Ariasie, and Anna Bravo say, Eba. Indeed, Show the enemy neka the America ebichen minia wantio minia. Be careful about friends.
Be careful about friends.
Okay. Number 3, what led to the downfall? What led to the destruction of the prodigal son? Number 3. Young Kai Bible in free verse 11 neighbor. Young Kai free verse 11 neighbor.
Luke chapter 15.
Kai free verse 13 neighbor. May pass every word they are making me 3rd point.
Verse 13. I say, na any debi no ba akuma no boaboa ni nyina no
na kuma ne boaboa na japade ni nyina no
na oturukwan ko akirikyira asase bi so okobo ahohwie sɛ na hodie nyina
ɛhɔ no okobo ahohwie verse and what do you know?
Verse 13.
ɛhɔ na wo okay meba Luke 15:13. Okay, may I follow? And not many days after, the younger son gathered all together, and he took his journey into a far country, and there wasted his substance with righteous living. Okay. That is my 3rd point. Be careful about how you live your life. Be careful about how you live your life. Be very, very careful. Yeah. Be very, very careful about how you live your life. Ababawa onya ababawa nkutida. Abrantie onya abrantie nkosida. Eno amekasi ekọ baabi na asofo nko an ye tikem mimu body. Ye ba sofo ba ko bi ni fie ko ani mu pa efiri na no ame. Meja isa kom tell me nye bi. So ni ma kom check no. Meja mi nye bi. Ni ebusa se baba otebi last year na me share this year the enemy who see chere me say benyini me fie ko ani mu ni nye bi. Okay na ya sere okay ani mu sa onya baba wa ngosida onya brantie ngosida na me ka sem that 5 years ago the only wa bra boy ye ebra na what 20 years and chere and now what 25 years the way wa bra bo sitie. The only one about boy ebra na what 30 years eso aba na nemfi a wadi ewuka. The only one about boy ebra na what 40 years eso aba na ewuka. Bible say the only pakuo no eno an wa ye de ba de enti abrabokora opeso de wani hunu 10 years ahead of you no chance ye hu adwuma ne 10 years ni duru ono de wani be hunu. Bible say he squandered all his substance. Ejapade ni bibi ewo bia awhibira nko a ema ensa mebusa wo ye bema like for instance Bible say for one word mama sa Bible ni kan for one word ma oba agakwase ba ko ase for one word ma ema na se dodo ka biem yes na de like fa na de kwa akosie abusiafo fa ebe kakra babawa ene na umpoku ejire so ene na wa na ntuo we ye friend calf ene na wo tie wo hips ene na sebe wo toss ejire so kama emre bi beba ye maame a wotuei ebi abetimi akọ no ofie no wo ya de sebe na ntuma kora moni mu na ne mpoku anyina guso enso fede bi ani wo bi mebo fede bi ani wo bi ni ho bi eye nentia wan he wa bra ba wo boni ya me nka na da ebe kakra na tea bread egu sifu muso na akora ne se ti ohu tofia mama adi ewa ode mo bla ye na dia wo no fa abrabo tantan se na daate ne asem empanifo se odokoto kwadu anu ayede ba de ni wajam ho na winim da ekom baba enti abrabo na wo bonde ne eba won sembia no invest it into your future. Don't squander it. Invest it into your future. Sika bi na wo ye babune eba won sem no ye ni nyina fabi wura wo da atimi invest it into your future. The we are say yen kemo bi meye ye papa meye ya doya Ansah. If nobody is there to help you, help yourself.
Amen.
Obi eni wo obebo wa abo ho.
Sir.
Enye ni panyina na sabra boss enya boafo.
Sir.
Enya maami anafe papa mani so ni mo. But obi wo no mo a sabe boja kakra bi a obo na afo de aye de ba de. O de atre na asiem. No de kwa de makakra. Ene de what do you say me masem na wo ye and solve problem you don't know. Some days to come you will see say you have multiply your challenges and problems. So now you may masam ahochinti na wo ya and solve problem no e be increase no and the obenyema wo na be mani be dwane no ana be o say problem na e de ba de e increase e sonte tanoso emene be be ka say bi jam sofo be mani mi nyi say ya me ka kire ne say menyem afi na mi be wu na menim kola
Dubai
kokra ebesi ne chiri mfuturo gra yehunu
ijeti atoko
entoba wa akwa mu sister I love you no was suma your there because one thing I love you that
say wo
ayo there me bua
sa
na onyi se wo de wo wani ba ku ya wo ye hu akora ne papa yi sebe me bi sa ba no nsu be yi tika to sister I love you love me. What love are you talking about? Odobe na wo ka ho asem sa hey ejabusia the way you live your life today because eso aba na obetwa emfie bi edi wanim udi abora obetwa so aba when ni akora enu so obetwa so aba internet ye ba won nsem bia no emfa nye fashion emfa nye competition uno bi ko competition wan tade ne mpabo ho enye ne sa o ma me ade te wan hu so bi akoto ba sister we wuto ne say 1 million enye mi pe bia ya afiri bi ma me why ade wan fa ba ga ma so le ai be pamo wan fa ba ga ma so le no tere se wonye Kristo ri ana say enye ne sa o me nka se wo ba ento bibi o na so dia me pese me ka nyina ne se busuafo think before you do some of the things you do gina Ansah na wa ye niema a wo ye enye so fiti ya no akwa ye niema a wo ye no wo be ye nu hu dabi no kwa na me ka jero ma mi bia na me tini fie wota no so no okonto si kwa so ne na fufo nyina ya premafo ma mi si na fufo ba dressing afa be duru bembe so egbo no ane na fufo wo ko mukura no ofani because atade ese na ode kwa na mfo ni no duru ha enye obi na be ka chane so won sai ono ane ni nyi so ono o manam chana omu ento sisika ni nyina entoma ngoa entoma pam ene ye pam goddess ochina ni ya pam enzatia ede to me enzani ya pam bebem ni ya pam flare meboa ade perform na wa ede to so na ni ya pam bebem
pam puff nso
ya pam puff atale su ya puff abem so the way it pam different Debi eme unu aye srepe sister wa ye fo nyame na aye sister wa ta de fo so ne no akeka ni nyina o de ni nyina aye ntale pam ni nyina aye ntale pam ni nyina o de aye ntale pam ma mi na fufu sa na o mo de ye ana ma me ni di ni sika koto plot eda ya ma me ni si ye bi na me ko ha ya na me tim no ma me ni se de eye na ni wu mere bi washa na tade ba ku bi sam tuma because obeso si dan na one day wo pa asole Yes, you are bumpire, Wakoto, or bumpires, and too many be the body more. And gaslet. I had that name more during our team. Can I underwear in a guamantic? And so my man of and my minister died. She cannot say to be top brought our face of answer. But in enough of 4 years, I never read in a ra. Or when you not so high dances here. Now my men make us. How do you live your life? China was the ball brafa. Convenient is an old brow. China is the ball brafa. Abrantie. Unyeska. I have a BC over be what Abrantie. And needing you know one noon. And needing you know one noon. And will be uncle competition. The grand make a channel. And will be uncle talent. For BC baby. When this one even say, Ebian is what you would put a debit the Kutas Adam for. That is the reason because when this one doing a trade, the Union Scout do Sikai. Original member, sir. When this one doing a trade, the Union Scout, the idea about it. And how you even spend your money. Ekasama mi hune ni swadi hunu kura yedi abade eguta ewi aso o ma o so akoduru pempenso bi owi ase dia kesesem eye wasetena eda ahokyere beba no obeye mobo se unu bi dia mekaza because sika ketu bi beto wonsem kura enzo why because one man o so ayedi abade akosoro eduru pempenso bi akesesem ngo a unu msa Ghana he sana Ghana enyumtufo ne sankofo mu ye wonim se wia so bi enye skapa ma ne ho akere ne be enano me ho ma na me se me hwa de won se YouTube footballers o menye skapa ya ne o mo sransa na o madi ana eyi o mo videos eni sika no o mo wa enne de o mo bedi kura ye den de ama o mo eyi ni nyina de ba na me hwa footballers na ebubo o mo di wo mu na me wura o mo bo na Nigeria forward defender bi no aye Rasta bi friend Talibo West no oka hu bi do video ni tell say the all the Quran ed so for bi na kan obo ade amenso be boa akwa bi ti asase so ane friend ayo my taxing akwa we be ye boxer eduru pempe so bi omo bro ba ku say dey do tuske e the assessment mu ba ku duru my tax oba ko kakenga na ba ko sem tie bi so enzo bo ba ko a na wo ba fo my taxi be neska e boxi mu afedi e ma no ne ofankra na ye tini tu ni e won pane e be duru pempenso bi na akwa America Ghana ye say friend watch mine na akwa America my taxi e security will be efie ano se sika nyina wo de ye ya bo ahohwi ade ye de the about in some day Yame on Gogoro Batrewa Yeni Wagin free with him. On Gogoro to Musto Wagin as we had the about and your daughter apply your number 9 and your number 10. Media mini ABS down so they are ready to me a bibia. Meaning when you scout to a radiameca chance when you can top road to Nesida. Everybody this kind of baba. But when it was so you so hard, who said, I said, never be a minute about it. Now, after you say, Scanner Benjamin, did this baby, I didn't country me. And yet, Ogokora Bloom, oh, Namano, Papa Penifua, and then Nama, S. Car, I have one drink as such a say. I have one drink as such a say. Nanemawa Abraban and the man to be more boy, yeah. Nemkokora said you obey wire then the amanisa. One way. What do you say about quoting will be so not the Akan in our house? One to two walk way as hard or Abraboy. I am not cursing you. Menomeo, if you couldn't see that. But I may careful to something at the actual. Now, may I have much remember message you there is no speciality about 2019 anymore. My cousin, obviously, a few and yet official. There is no speciality about 2019. Why? Because 2018 you 52 weeks. 2019 is 52 weeks. 2018 had 365 days. There will be 365 days over 2019. 2018 You were 12 months, 2019 about 12 months. 2018, your rain season and dry season. There will be rain season and dry season about 2019. There is no speciality about 2019, but it is your mindset. I get it. Any abrabo, any to me account world you run finimuno. And a man finny by the about there. If I just sonko and yet I finish the sim of 2018 will be a do of 2019. A do of 2019. What the way you tell me? I saw the a few ways, and then 30th. I can't have a when I saw you a few, and then 30th. I can't just one day. Now, you may run next year. Or be by a few. The real Messiah, a few. The real Messiah bomb, a few. One that didn't know to come and up him. So put up 10 seats. Not to go broom. Say a one in here. May yes, said you make him now. I'm careful. You may what? On him that. Because what do I not done? A big walk. Which in a park and it's not to talk about park and so. You do Jeremy now, don't say trading Fifi, the difference here. We should be very careful about how we live our lives. You fast why boy and brother. The brother Ghana, or more you should move it 10 to 20 years a day anymore. Ghana for a member, especially your dear Ghana member, because and some of them too much. About too much. And some of the doors, I say, and some of the doors, so our gun had to do. Obi also didn't near in some and the end say life, sir. Or no ma, Obi Timikas and the Menoma, Marco Pazo, sorry. Or no man, no other got a woman, and now the that you can't need you, and no. And Nijian is a one no mama, when they live in our 3 what Rama when me, a hanging out papa, and a dress when he had it. And you need your resume, Papa. There you go. Hey, Papa. And then you know, at the farmer. When you say, you may be one of my do a Ghana, have a yeska. And you know about this year. And so to be a yeska. There may be a person who about it, down or about who say yes, one another. Somebody said, and I saw for car was among those who did the attempt. The real TCT, who threw my master in the buy. There may be anyone many tickets, the bear my young to say tickets here. Oh, as I'm a praise the Lord. Hallelujah. As every American, and so free, I see all the year, dear man. And the buy, if you don't know, I'm a gonna go to the actual. If you want to buy, join him one, and all kinds of aphrodisiac drugs and guan. Now, Sabe. Ama wanya hoden si maka kerebu ya de oyewie ya na wo hoden ni nyina asate ko so the raise maybe we energy drink kwa me no bi da blue jeans liquid 55 me no sa de me nyina bi da na hoden nyina gyina nyame so eni se me sa dum nsuo so mo asa sa energy drinks ade a ono mo a ebe ye adwuma wo ntini mu a sofu bi be no energy drinks afi duru be meso bi a na ni ntini ni mu twetwe no. Why? Because as a whole force one man one day breakope. Oh brebe da. Now one way and lose you baby the idea about the because cafe ne woman too much. One no cafe ni doors sa ne affective adre ebi veins no me dey ni na hand baby. What do you say when you hold the year what's your life? What led to the destruction of the prodigal son? Abusia, Makadia Yatra, Unipa. Bible says, "Assembly the Yatra and says for a down coupon, needing the balance of muscle. Now, we need penny in our city. Now, the interviewing young couple about Timu, Papa Bonio, you be water. And can't there be that? Some men for 2 farm and can be busy and me. Ye kind. Never boon ye go as some fun a one fa. And then the Oya branch ye brawa won't take. Dunti. On Copra Boma one will boo. And I say, what top of Cora? Let me sit on young couple. ɔnyɛ ɔkɛse ne ɔma wɔ nida hɔ ɛwɔ yesu din mu amen.